Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about some mega developments taking place in Portland. Now, before Portland was mostly known for tourism, not on the level of Montego Bay or Ocho Rios or Negril, but it was basically a tourist town. But that's going to change now because they are going to be drilling 14 oil wells on the south coast of Jamaica. The Walton Morant Basin stretches along the entire south coast of Jamaica. And they are going to be building 14 oil wells basically to search for oil. So, with that happening, a lot more activity is going to take place in areas like Portland, because Portland is all the way to the southeast of Jamaica. It's the most southeastern parish in Jamaica. So a port in Portland, an airport, all these things are going to become crucial to Jamaica. And let's just assume there is oil. Oil is found on the south coast. These ports, these towns on the south coast are going to become so busy that it's actually good that the government is putting in some of these developments now. And the ones for Portland that we're going to discuss were actually discussed before the scientific research was done to confirm that oil is on the south coast, or oil is contained within the Walton Morant Basin. Nobody knows the quantity. If the commercial quantity of oil is found, then towns like Port Antonio, parishes like Portland, are going to see a lot more activity. That urban center being built out there is probably going to be rented out in no time. The Morant Bay Urban Center, which cannot find tenants, would be filled within a matter of months. So we will keep you guys updated on the drilling. But for now, we're going to talk about some mega developments taking place in Portland. And with the opening of the Southern Coastal Highway going from Kingston, where you have the Norman Manley International Airport, to Port Antonio, it's a game changer for that region. Now we know about the highway being built, and we know about the urban center, the Boundbrook Urban Center that's being built. They're also building a bypass for the town. But there are a lot more projects that are slated for Port Antonio, even as ambitious as building a high-end marina. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on these developments. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has unveiled an ambitious and transformative vision for Port Antonio, positioning the town as a premier high-value, low-density tourism destination. At the heart of this initiative is the construction of a new bypass, which Holness described as laying the foundation for a broader, long-term strategy to unlock the full potential of the town and parish. The goal is to enhance Port Antonio's historic charm while fostering modern amenities and economic opportunities through carefully guided development. The Prime Minister emphasized that this initiative aims to preserve the town's unique character as the birthplace of Caribbean tourism while creating a new standard for sustainable and upscale visitor experiences. Among the highlights of the proposed development is the construction of a cruise ship terminal along the eastern belt of the harbor. This addition is intended to accommodate boutique vessels that align with the town's low-impact tourism model. Complementing this will be the transformation of the Port Antonio Marina into a luxury yacht destination, further boosting the area's maritime appeal. The Folly lands have been earmarked for the development of high-end hotels and villas, offering visitors a refined and intimate experience. Additionally, the lands currently used for cricket will be converted into a multi-purpose sports and entertainment amphitheater, expanding the town's capacity to host large-scale events and community activities. A significant feature of the plan is a new pedestrian promenade that will connect the east and west harbors. This shoreline walkway will not only enhance accessibility but also encourage a vibrant and walkable town core. The initiative also includes the development of a waterfront public park similar to Harmony Beach Park in Montego Bay, providing residents and visitors with green space for recreation and relaxation. The historic Musgrave Market will be redeveloped as part of the waterfront enhancement, transforming it into a cultural and commercial crown jewel that celebrates local artisans, cuisine, and heritage. Economic development is also central to the broader vision. The recently launched Brownbrook Urban Center will offer 148,000 square feet of purpose-built commercial space. It will house government offices including the Portland Municipal Corporation, as well as retail outlets, financial institutions, fast food establishments, a supermarket, and facilities for global services sector companies. Holness noted that the bypass is more than just a traffic solution, it is a catalyst for urban renewal. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. As I said earlier, a lot is happening in Port Antonio. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And as I was going through this article, something occurred to me. I think Port Antonio is getting more tourism development than Montego Bay, which is the number one tourist destination in Jamaica by far. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.